Shout out to everyone. Magandang gabi, guys. And let's try another Jose Marichan, Beautiful Girl.
Acoustic Heaven.
Wow. Parang napaka-refreshing ng kanta nito. Beautiful girl, wherever you are, I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again, and after a long, long while, I loved again. You said hello, and I turned to go, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just knew that I loved again, and after a long, long while, I loved again. It was destiny's game when love finally came on. I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Wherever you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever, like a song in the night. Now that I love again, and after a long, long while, I love again. And it was destiny's game when love finally came on. I rushed in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come true. You made me love again, and after a long, long while, it loved again. And I'm glad that it's you. Beautiful girl. O, diba? Beautiful girl. Para naalala ko yung mga kabataan ko. Oo, yung mga crush niya. Oo, beautiful girl kasi. Oo, talaga naman. Diba? Alright.